over here, you can see that I got two layers right here. So there's one with the tomato, as you can see right here, and one with the notebook, which is on the top. So right now, you do not see anything below the notebook right here. You see the tomato right here, and on top there is the notebook. So now, if you want to see through the notebook layer right here, then you can work around with the opacity for this particular layer. So over here on the right hand side, you can see that opacity is option under the layer panels right here. So you can go around and decrease out the opacity, and now this particular layer becomes transparent and you can see through it, as you can see. So apart from this, you can also change around how this looks in the blending mode. So instead of normal, if I were to select dissolve, then it actually goes around and makes the opacity level dissolve. As you can see, you see the dots right here, just like this. So it is dissolving everything out right here. So you see like a bunch of pixels right here, and just like this, you got the dissolve effect. Let me just go around onto normal right here and increase out the opacity. So apart from just working around with the dissolve right here, there's other blending modes that you can work with as well. For example, if I were to select darken, then what happens is that the bright part of the picture gets transparent and only the black parts remain. So now you can see on the notebook area, you can see the tomatoes, while on the desk area where there's black right here, you don't see it transparent. You can go for multiply, which is basically another way for the same thing. Color bin, which makes the white transparent over here. Just like this, you can also make the black transparent by using the lighten option. So you can see that the black areas are transparent now, and even the pen right here is transparent, but the white notebook is seen now. And there's different areas right here, so you can go for color dots, you can go for linear dots, and then lighter color. So all makes the white visible while the black area is transparent. You can check out other blending modes as well. There's overlay, there's soft light right here, which mixes out the light in different ways. There's hard light, as you can see right here, and the transparency level varies depending on the blending mode that you choose as well. And sometimes you can see the effect over here as well. There's linear light right here, there's spin light right here, just like this. There's hard mix over here. There's difference, as you can see, exclusion and difference right here, which makes it negative right here, as you can see. You can also work around with the hue right here. You can work around with the saturation and so forth, as you can see, just like this. So since my picture is already black and white, you don't see any saturation or other settings right here. Let me just go around and then delete this out. So let me just go around, delete this, press yes, and I'm going to duplicate out this layer itself. So now I'm going to go around onto hue, and you do see the color change right here, as you can see, just like this. You do see the color right here. So similarly, I'm going to go to saturation, and then you can see the black and white part and the more colored parts right here. Color, and you can see that it affects out the color on this blending mode. And you can go for luminosity right here, and it changes around the brightness of different section right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with the blending modes and opacity inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.